Hey there. I'm Emma. Welcome to MAPO's mobile app, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. We've crafted a user-friendly app that caters to both car enthusiasts and those with limited vehicle knowledge. Although we don't sell any models on the app, we do offer up-to-date prices and schedules, covering service costs, maintenance expenses, total cost of ownership, residual values, and much, much more. Yes, you heard it right. All this valuable information is just a tap away, conveniently fitting in the palm of your hand. So, whether you're a car novice like me or a true petrolhead like my husband, you'll find this app packed with unimaginably useful information to make your dream car selection journey a breeze. Okay. With no further ado, let's get you on board. Scan the QR code provided using your mobile device's camera. Or, you can open the web browser on your phone and navigate to the following address, mobile.mapo-in.com. Oh, yes, and remember, don't worry about getting lost in unfamiliar vehicle industry terms or the so-called petrolhead lingo. Just tap this icon anywhere in the app, and I'll explain and guide you through all the amazing features. Now, it's time to take the next step. Scan the QR code or use the web address link to log in. Let's embark on an enjoyable and informed ride together.